Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a contact in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Xero, and when you're going to be here, you just want to simply click on plus icon and add a contact here. When you're going to do it, you just want to add a simple contact name here, email address, phone, fax, mobile, or just really simple things, website, postal address, street address, and then you're going to see the financial details here. Purchase settings, you can add text here, credit limit amount, batch payments, just literally edit everything here as you want. So this is pretty much it, how you can add contact, and when you got it, you just click save here. Oh, I have already this contact name. So yeah, thank you very much and goodbye.